Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by stabilizing power. Plug in the original Pixel charger and bring the battery to at least 20%. Next, reboot the phone to clear transient wake locks, then open Settings Battery and note top consumers so you know what drains it. Once done, update Android and all apps. Failing to update can leave power bugs active. Make sure to uninstall any apps added right before the issue appeared so you eliminate recent software culprits quickly. You now dig deeper. Boot into safe mode and observe battery behavior for an hour or two to see if third-party apps are guilty. If drain improves, uninstall or clear cache for offending apps. Long caches can cause repeated CPU use. If not, boot recovery and wipe system, cache partition to remove corrupted temporary files. Only after backing up your data should you perform a factory reset, because that fully eliminates stubborn software faults that survive other steps. You finish with hardware validation. Inspect and clean the USB-C port gently, then test with a known good cable and charger to confirm proper charging. Next, run Pixel Diagnostics in Settings or via Fastboot to check battery health, voltage, and cell consistency. Make careful notes. If the health report's under 80% or diagnostics flag faults, arrange an authorized battery replacement or contact Google support. If things go wrong, retry tests, reproduce steps, and provide logs when you escalate for faster repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.